So the Multimedia Lab for Journalists is a 2-week intensive program designed for both emerging and established professionals in journalism and multimedia storytelling.
The program was fuel for my brain and my creativity.
Over the last 2 weeks, we learned about AI and journalism.
We met some people from Stanford, from Berkeley.
We visited some of the biggest media houses in the West Coast.
It's very interesting to see the differences in the attitude towards AI.
We had a good discussion with the newsrooms here in the Bay Area, how they are using AI tools for their work.
What surprised me about the program was that it's not just about, for example, new tools or skills that you learn, but that you also, or I experienced it this way, that you also get a new perspective.
It's unique to have 2 weeks to think about your job, to think about the future.
It was excellent. It was such a great opportunity to meet fellow journalists that are also from Switzerland.
So the networking aspect here is very important, and you are able to meet so many people in the industry.
I found this very helpful to be able to just share experiences, and this is something that with Swiss or international journalists we, I think, don't do enough.
So I've met many people, journalists, artists, researchers, and all these people gave me new ideas about my job.
I'm sad that I have to leave because I like this region very much.
I think what I will take with me from the program is this enthusiasm about new technology.
It's a great opportunity, you'll meet amazing people.
Yeah, come home with a lot of new ideas.
It's a lifetime opportunity.
I'm going on and I feel stronger and more creative now. That's the best present for me.
Thanks to Gebert Stiftung's Innovation Fund for Multimedia Journalism, our participant can then apply for seed funding and get continued support for their projects. Something we really love here at Swissnex is creating long-lasting connections that will support and empower our participants way beyond our program.